Tracking a mixed bag of global cues, we started off absolutely flat in today's trading session, and the Nifty Futures managed to close in quiet at 15,188. Although we marginally were in the green when we started off trade, but soon within an hour of trade, that gain got sold into and we closed in absolutely flat. But don't be fooled by that flat close, given the kind of excitement and the lively moves that you were seeing within the broader universe, the mid and the small cap indexes. By the way, it's been a positive breath as well. Over 80 F&O stocks managed to close firm for themselves, with PSUs really taking the charge. But first things first, it was SBI after a 4.5% near about move coming in on Friday. Given that its earnings came on Friday, today you had a very smart follow through coming in from SBI. The stock only managed to gain further strength and was holding up by about almost 2% at the highs of today's trading session. That of course rubbed off on the likes of a PNB, on the likes of a BOB, a Canara Bank as well, which were also some of the other winners in trade today. PNB has managed to put up a very strong show, about a 4.6% uptick coming in on PNB Futures, and similar was the price action across BOB as well as Canara Bank too. Then of course comes the larger PSU gambit, within which you had Concor after their interview to ET Now saying that all the formalities and the checks and balances have been put in place now for the disinvestment. Concor shot up by about 8.3% on its futures and was the top F&O winner in terms of price movers. IOC, BPCL were the other excited disinvestment candidates. They also held out very, very smartly in trade. The other movers which were comforting the index today were the likes of L&T, which held out by 1.7%, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Auto, Maruti as well saw some gains coming in. But on the flip side, it was a bit of a tug of war with what was going on within the metals universe. Remember, globally as well, metal stocks have been on a bit of a back foot, and we were no different. So the JSW Steel, Tata Steel, both these stocks were a bit of a laggard. Shree Cement as well, although the numbers were impressive, but the brokerages have indeed downgraded the stock. Shree Cement as well was a laggard in today's trading session, losing about almost over 3% on the futures today. Tata Consumer, Britannia, Titan, Bajaj Finance, Hindalco, M&M, Bharti, SBI Life along with Reliance Industries were some of the other key pressure points in trade. But like I said, there was a lot of action within the broader universe, and look what was happening outside the PSU pack as well. Be it Page Industries, which shot up about 4.5%. That stock was holding out very well. Natco Pharma, after getting an approval from the drug administrator, that shot up very smartly. Similar was the movement across Cipla after getting an approval to market one of Roche's drugs. That stock held out very smartly. You had a Pidilite, which is also an HNI favorite. That stock was looking good by about 4%. Hero MotoCorp, MGL, these were some of the other price gainers in trade.